Need hose bib and outdoor faucet services in Strathcona County? A leaking, frozen or broken outdoor faucet can lead to wasted water, high utility bills and costly repairs. At Kingstree Plumbing, we specialise in hose bib repair, installation and replacement, ensuring your outdoor water system functions efficiently year-round. From frost-free hose bib installations that protect against Alberta's harsh winters to fast, reliable repairs, our licensed plumbers provide same-day service with guaranteed results. Homeowners in Strathcona County trust us for durable, cost-effective outdoor faucet solutions tailored to their needs. With upfront pricing, expert craftsmanship and fast response times, we make hose bib repairs and installations simple and stress-free. Need professional service? Call or book online today.